Hey guys, I've talked with a few exhibitors of this fair. It's not big. They've told me it's very professional. That is why I'd like to film a new video. Hopefully you can stick with it. Don't leave me alone, and particularly if you are in this business line. Fastener. GERN. That one. It's quite big. And this one is exclusively open for the professionals. So that is why it's a great chance to film it, to record it. This one is from Zhejiang. Fastener. That one's from Italy. SACMA. It's an Italian one. Look at the logo. It's absolutely incredible. The machines are working very hard. They are producing a slew of bolts, screws. Let's check this machine. Yeah, they've produced a lot. I think they are called Moulds. B-O-L-T-S. So this is the raw material for them. When this kind of material enters that machine, and that machine can reform it to be that kind of a boat. It's big. This company is quite big, I think. It's called Dongrui. That one is from Shanghai. Beyond Machinery. MY. More parts. They've produced a lot of things here. I think this company is quite similar to that one. So they have to buy the raw material like this, right? And when this enters the machine just reform it. Yeah, I'm not a pro. Maybe you guys are a pro, so you can tell me. You can make a comment here. It's very busy. MDS. Bao Steel. They've got some devices. Yeah, they are playing the cards. So China has more cards than the US does. It's funny, right? Trump came to China. Some people just joked. China has more cards. In the end, China has made all these cards. So it's funny, right? Just for fun. How about this machine? This machine is working. You can see that kind of boats. I think they are called boats. If I'm wrong, you can add a comment here. Amazing. So if you don't know these industries, you can learn something by this video. It's just like an educational one, right? Don't forget to click the like button. I feel very appreciated. Getting your support, your engagement. BASF is there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this hall isn't spacious, isn't big, but it's very professional. It's very noteworthy for this industry. Thank you very much for your time. Spring, is that called a spring? Just terrific. Just amazing, this. Let's walk along this aisle and we can see the company's name. The chance is very precious, you know. This is the second day of showing, which means if I don't make this video, you don't have a chance to see this. Most of the businessmen are pretty occupied here. They don't have any chance or time to make a long video of this fair. You can imagine they must focus on their own business. They have to make a lot of deals. They have to earn money. You know, they come here for their own purpose. Just I'm having a lot of free time. Oh, it's getting out. You can look at this. This is just incredible, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so impressed, amazed by this. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. We absolutely need this kind of thing. It's absolutely wonderful. Boots, I think. Those kind of machines are so intelligent. What about them? What are they? Oh my God, this is crazy, insane. I have no knowledge of this industry, but this industry is crucially important for our industrialization, for our development of human being. Look at them. What are they doing here? This is amazing. Oh, it's forbidden to make the pictures. Let's go and check that equipment. That equipment is quite bulky. What is that equipment? It's huge. Yeah, they've got a mall. So everyone has to exert their best to display their products and show their strength, and let more people come here and make business. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are into this video, please support me by adding a comment, clicking the like button. I'm really appreciated to have your support. Thank you very much, everyone. Yeah, those kind of machines are quite similar. So they've got some metallic lines, and these kind of metallic lines enter that machine, and then that machine reform that, produce them, and finally we've got these kind of products. Look at the line. Very same. So which means they are rivals. They are the competitors here. The competitors are gathering here and have a big party. Shinlag. We can call it a big Shinlag. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you next time. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.